everyone, my name is Teray with Peace and Make. Today I will be going over my spring capsule wardrobe, or for those that don't care about capsule wardrobes, it's just a spring wardrobe to give you some inspiration on some cute and comfortable clothes that you can wear in your everyday. Some looks you can dress up, some looks will be just like comfortable, chill places, anything from the grocery store or going to an event, to going to church. So yeah, there's just some things lined up, some fun things that I have lined up. Some of the things are ready to wear, and some things are items that I've made. I've kind of mixed and matched them, and some outfits will just be fully ready to wear. Some outfits will be fully me made. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Hi everybody. So for this outfit, we have the shirt that is from Gap. I actually made a similar button-up shirt, but it's a little bit dressier looking than this one. So today I wanted to go more casual with this outfit, so I put this shirt on. Also, I have my pants that I made. They are from Melanated Fabrics, which recently closed. They're made from Raimi linen, which I love. At this time, they don't have any pockets because I wanted to get just a simple bodice pattern for pants, and I really think that I found it. I love the fit of these pants. You'll be able to see from the video that's probably somewhere over here right now. The other thing that I have is these earrings. I'm not sure if you can see it or if it's focused, but these earrings are from my sister-in-law. She makes earrings. I'm not sure of the name of her company, so I will put that down. And then so we'll see. The next thing is this necklace, and then this necklace. I got these from K Jeweler. So today I decided to like mix the metals a little bit, not on purpose, but I thought that this had a silver accent, so I put this earring on, and once I put them on I still liked it. So even though this has a gold accent and this is silver, I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna mix it up today. So yeah, that's a description about the outfit, and yeah. So with this dress, it's just one piece dress. And so with this, I'm excited to wear it this spring. Also, I could wear this during the winter time with just putting like a blazer on or a light jacket, even a jean jacket. But yeah, so the belt came from Kohl's. Earrings, I forgot, I've had these earrings for like a really long time. And then this necklace came from Target. Yes, so that's where I got all of these pieces from. Yeah, you can dress this up, dress this down. I've worn this for my Easter dress before. I can wear it with tennis shoes. I've worn it with heels. It's just like so much versatility. It's basically a button-up shirt. But yeah, this is basically a button-up. I'm going to be making another dress out of it actually pretty soon. I'm going to start laying my pattern out to make it. So yeah, this is another look. Okay, so for this look, it is actually 3 pieces. So you have the shirt, and then there's a bralette up underneath it, and then pants. And this is all, it's 3. The pants are self-drafted, the top is a pattern, and the bralette is another pattern. So I'll put the patterns either I'll list it or I'll put it in the description below. But yeah, so this is another outfit that I actually love so much because I really like the bright colors of it. I've worn this to the beach before, also just going to the grocery store. Like, there's just so many things that you can do with it, and it's like super comfortable. It feels like pajamas. Yeah. For this next look, I have a striped shirt, and I made the shirt, and then the pants are from Old Navy. For jeans, they're just like really simple for me to just buy them versus making them. And plus, Old Navy has like really inexpensive jeans, and they're just so quick and easy to buy. Even though I have long legs, they sell like long pair of pants instead of regular size, so that works for me like perfectly. But yeah, I really like this shirt. I typically wear it with jeans a lot. It's like very comfortable. I wear this winter, spring, not too much in the summer because it's long sleeves, but this material is a French terry, and it's from Boho Fabrics. Also the cuffs, and then the bottom hem area, that fabric is from Joann Fabrics. So these are actually two different fabrics, and it's very hard to find two different fabrics to match color wise, but this is a really close fit, and you really can't tell unless I just like point it out like I just did. But yeah, I love this look too. This is actually one of my favorite shirts. I love stripes. Put a heart out there if you like stripes as much as I do. But yeah, I just love stripes. I try really hard not to make all of my clothes stripes, but I just really like that pattern. So for this look, we have hibiscus flowers. Let me stand back some so I can put the screen over here. For this outfit, I have hibiscus flowers. This is a French terry, and also I have these cute cuffs from a different fabric. This fabric was gifted to me, so I'm not even sure what material it is, but I really like the pop of red. And then also it's at the hem of the garment as well. But yeah, and my pants are from Old Navy. Yes. So yeah. Some places, actually ways that you can mix this up. The last shirt that I had on, you can wear those same jeans with it. So really different colored jeans will go with this shirt. You can wear it with dress pants if you want to kind of like dress it up and put some heels on as well. There's just like so many ways to wear it. I wear it with brown boots sometimes, like high brown boots. Or like will cover my calf. I'm not sure of the proper name for it. But yeah, those are some things that I do, ways that I change it around. I wear this with tennis shoes as well. It's just a very comfortable shirt to wear, an outfit just for every day. This outfit is all ready to wear. So this shirt is from my favorite store, Talbot's. I just really like the quality of their fabrics, and also they have like an array of different styles for different occasions. So I love that store. The stripes are back. Also, I have on the jeans that I had with the hibiscus flower French terry shirt. So it's just showing different ways that you can wear these shirts with the same pants, but different ways, and it gives a different look with each change of shirt. So one trick is you can wear like the same pair of pants, but with like an array of different shirts, because these jeans are just like a neutral that you can wear. So yeah, I believe that that's it. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the notification bell. I am new to YouTube, so I have a lot of ideas, a lot of videos lined up. Bye!